Recent scientific discoveries have been causing a stir in the field of paleobiology, raising questions in regard to the age of our planet and about the human race itself. While the publication of Charles Darwin's book Origins of the Species in 1859 has helped to promote the view that our world is millions of years old, yet new scientific research into dinosaur fossils has brought everything we think we know about our distant past into question. Professor Stephen Taylor is just one of the many scientists who are involved in bringing these new and somewhat shocking discoveries into the public eye.
Hi, my name's Steve Taylor, and I've been privileged to be involved in the production of the film that you're about to see. In the early 90s, the scientific world was shocked by the discovery of red blood cells in the femur of a large Tyrannosaurus rex. Since that time, there has been discovery after discovery of soft tissues, blood cells, bone cells, fragile chemicals, proteins, fragments of DNA found in the remains of dinosaurs and other creatures thought to be millions and millions of years old. The problem is that blood cells, fragile chemicals, soft tissues and fragments of DNA decay in far shorter timescales than the tens or hundreds of millions of years currently believed. So what does this mean? This film challenges everything that you've been told about dinosaurs.
Ever since I was a child, I just fell in love with this stuff. I mean, how cool would it be to have a real dinosaur park? Well, what if I was to tell you that there have been some recent finds regarding dinosaurs that has caused quite a stir within the dinosaur community, something that has been kept very quiet since first discovered in the early 90s. In fact, the discovery was so unsettling that it was hidden away because, well, first of all, it was considered impossible and therefore simply a bad mistake. Secondly, if these discoveries really are what they seem to indicate, then we will need to rewrite history, and it's going to have a shocking outcome, including for who we are as human beings. Jurassic Park and a dinosaur land will likely remain purely in the imagination of Hollywood filmmakers, and you can see an example of this by the dinosaurs they used. Here we have a velociraptor from the film, a majestic beast, sharp teeth, ferocious, scary. But the reality is, velociraptors in real life were only the size of a big chicken. But then that probably wouldn't have made quite as an exciting film. But let's get serious for a moment. Given all of this recent research and brand new discoveries, are dinosaurs really as old as we've been led to believe? And if they're not, what does that say about who we are?